Understanding lobster trap, an English idiom explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, lobster trap. This idiom might sound peculiar at first, but it's a great example of how English uses vivid imagery to convey complex ideas. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, lobster trap, is an idiom that refers to a situation that is easy to enter but difficult to escape from, much like a real trap used to catch lobsters. In real life, lobsters can easily crawl into the trap to get the bait, but find it hard to get out. Similarly, a lobster trap in human context could be anything from a tricky financial agreement to a challenging personal relationship. Understanding the origin of lobster trap helps in comprehending its usage. This idiom likely originated from the fishing industry, where lobster traps are a common tool. Over time, the literal meaning of trapping lobsters extended metaphorically to describe situations in our daily lives. To fully grasp the idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. Taking out a high-interest loan can turn into a lobster trap, where you find it hard to escape the debt. 2. Many people find that addictive social media platforms are like lobster traps, easy to get into but hard to leave. When using this idiom, it's important to remember that it often carries a negative connotation. It's best used to describe situations where someone feels stuck or tricked into a difficult scenario. For example, you might say, "I didn't realize this job would be a lobster trap, with long hours and little reward." And that's a wrap on lobster trap. Hopefully, this exploration of the idiom has been enlightening and you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, language is a window into culture and thought, and idioms like this are what make English so colorful and expressive. See you in the next video.